Good morning everyone. Today you will learn about metals and non-metals. Students, here you can see the various types of metal like silver, gold, copper, iron. These all are metals. Students, now today in this class we will discuss about physical properties of metals and non-metals. The first physical property of metal is hardness. Metals are hard at normal room temperature except mercury. Mercury is liquid at normal room temperature. As well as sodium and potassium, they both are metals but they both are very soft metal. These metals can be cut by using knife. The second physical property of metal is metallic clusters. Metals in their pure state they have shiny surface. This property of metal is called metallic clusters. Students, do you know why silver and gold are used to make jewelry? Because of metallic clusters. These metals have shiny appearance, that's why they are used to make jewelry. The next physical property of metal is malleability. By this property of metal, metals can be converted into thin sheet. When we hammer a metal, then it can be converted into thin sheet. This property of metal is called malleability. Gold and silver are most malleable metals. Next property of metal is ductility. The ability of metal to be drawn into thin wire is called ductility. Students, gold is the most ductile metal. A wire of about 2 kilometer length can be drawn from 1 gram of gold only. So these two are properties. Malleability and ductility is also used to make jewelry by using gold, silver and other metals. The next property of metal is conduction of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. They also have high melting point. Student, the best conductor of heat and electricity are silver and copper. But some other exception like lead and mercury, they both are metals but they are very poor conductor of heat and electricity. The next property of metal is sonority. Sonority is the property by which metals they produce a sound when we hammer on its surface. Students, the ringing bell and the musical instruments strings are based on the principle of sonority. Now you will learn about physical properties of nonmetals. Most of the nonmetals they exist in their gaseous state. The nonmetals are either solid or gaseous except bromine, which may be in liquid or gaseous in form. Iodine and sulfur they both are nonmetals but they are solid. Now next property, non-metals are non-lustrous but iodine is one of the exception which have shiny surface, as well as graphite is also have the property of lustrous. Non-metals are non-malleable, non-ductile. It means when we hammer the non-metal it will be broken down into small pieces. It means non-metals are brittle. Non-metals does not conduct heat or electricity except graphite. Graphite is a non-metal but it is the good conductor of heat and electricity. Graphite is the allotrope of carbon which is a good conductor of heat and electricity.